Welcome back, welcome back. We're back with another slay. Let's get into these knotless box braids. All my products will be listed in the description box. When you're doing the knotless, it's just like you're doing the feed-ins, but you're just doing it on a box braid basically. So I take that one piece of hair that I'm going to use for the box braid, and I split that into 5 sections. And then I do the overhand feed-in method, and I'm bringing the right piece, I'm feeding the right piece in, and then I'll lift the left piece up, and then I add that in, and I do this 3 times. Now this method can be a little tricky. You just want to keep on trying it until you get it right. It might take you about 3 times, but I promise you'll get it right within that 3rd try. So now I'm going to braid the hair down a little bit, and then I'm going to add those last 2 pieces, because since you're doing the knotless method, you can notice like if you add them all in at once, your ends aren't going to be as full. So you just add those last 2 pieces in once you get towards the end, so you can give the braids a fuller look. And you also want to make sure that your parting is like window parting, because you don't want the braids just to be sitting on top of each other. So as you can see, like each part like goes into each other, so you want it to be like window part. Yes, now the braids got a nice full look to them. This is what you want, sis. I'm trying to do these close-ups so y'all can really see how I'm getting this look done. So comment below if I need to zoom out a little bit, or comment if, you know, this is helping you by being zoomed in or not. With each braid, you want to make sure that you're securing your ends. So what I'm doing is just taking a little piece off the side, and then I'm wrapping that around my finger, and then I'm knotting it. And I'm going to do this twice just to secure the end so my braid will stay in place and it won't go anywhere. Now I'm going to add some foam. I don't remember the brand, but I will have it listed in the description box. And I'm just going to apply this before I dip the hair. So when I dip it, I don't do it all at once. I do the right side and then I do the left side. And then what I like to do also is take the heat from the towel and bring it to the top of the braids. This also helps give the top that nice polished look that you get on the ends, and it helps lay away down any frizzies or flyaways. So like I do with every braided style, I'm going to set this foam with some Pump It Up Spritz, and then I'm going to go in with this Tropical Roots Growth Oil. It smells so good, and I'm going to put it on her scalp directly, and then I'm just going to massage it into her scalp, because since it's a protective style, you want her hair to grow. And then I'm just going to finish it out with some olive oil sheen spray. And I hope this tutorial was very helpful for y'all. Comment below if you liked the video. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because Slaying It with Ray will have so many videos coming to you. Thank you for tuning in, and see you guys in the next video.